Hey guys, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that big red button down below that says subscribe on it so you can be notified every single time that I post a video. So, just a quick little spiel before I start this video, but I just wanted to apologize for not posting like the other week, so like 2 weeks ago. I had actually just gotten back to Oregon at that point. It was like week 2, and I was just really like feeling like overwhelmed and also a little bit depressed because it didn't stop raining for like a solid week and a half, which I don't know. So I just felt overwhelmed and I needed to give myself a break. So I gave myself that break and we're good now. The sun came out. I'm telling you, the sun like made me feel more energetic and motivated to actually do stuff. So I actually got like a ton of stuff done this week, which is great. Like, love that. So yeah, I just wanted to apologize for not posting and just wanted to say that I am back now. And so for this week's video, I have another Birchbox unboxing. This is the Birchbox for April. This is actually going to be my last Birchbox unboxing because really, more or less, since the beginning, like since I've been getting it, the boxes like 6-7 months ago, it's been really hit or miss. Some boxes have been better than others. Some boxes like weren't as you know, great. I just didn't always like the products that I was getting in the box, so I eventually decided that it would probably be best for me to not continue receiving these boxes. So that's why this box right here is the very last Birchbox unboxing. I don't know, maybe forever, I don't know. So this is what the box looks like. It's kind of a really like holographic glow to it. It's really pretty. I like also like the pink at the bottom of the box, because pink still is my favorite color. So yeah, this is what the Birchbox looks like, and when you open it inside, they always have this little list of items that you get in your box and how much the full-size items cost. And I'll also be like, not linking, but like telling you everything, how much it costs on Birchbox's website, at least right down here. And also, this is what it looks like. They wrapped it up really nicely in this little cute tissue paper thing, and they always give you, once again, 5 sample size products, and you can decide after you using the samples whether or not you want to buy the full size ones. So the first product that I am going to be pulling out of this box is the Living Proof Style Lab Prime Style Extender. I've actually heard that Living Proof is a really great company for hair products. Yeah, for hair products, I've heard that they're a really great company. So basically, you know, this is kind of those things that you can put in your hair while it's still wet, and it makes your hairstyle, I think, last longer, is I think the purpose of this. But the next thing is this Basanti Brightened Up Exfoliator. It's an exfoliator and enzymatic face rejuvenator. So yeah, this is basically just a face cream. I'm actually not a huge skincare person. I mean, obviously, as if you couldn't tell, I don't really wear makeup, so there's not really a reason for me, this is bonusing, for me to like wear skincare products. I probably should start like wearing makeup and stuff, but I just think that takes so much time out of your morning to put makeup on every single day. And I'm the type of person who likes getting as much stuff done as you can before class, so that was just more time to like goof off and play and go on our phone after class. So I usually just don't spend time putting on eyeshadow or mascara because that's all the makeup I own. you know, before in the morning, because I don't know, it takes me like 10 minutes, but like still doing homework takes me like forever. So yeah, but yeah, let's see if this will focus this time. Next, we have this Balance Me Natural Skincare Congested Skin Serum. This is, not really sure what this is actually. It says it's an on-the-spot soothing gel designated to diminish blemishes and calm inflammation without causing dryness or irritation. This is great. Actually, this is kind of like something that'll help with their pimples and stuff like that, which I think is great because I actually do, like, even though I don't wear makeup, I do get pimples occasionally. It's usually up by my forehead because I have bangs, and if you have bangs, you know, the stuff goes out. It is really congested like up here, and you sweat the most like up here. So I usually get like up here, but sometimes I'll also randomly like get them done here. Next is the Love of Color Heavy Petal One and Done eyeshadow stick. I would actually open this and swatch it for you, but I'm not even kidding you when I say that I can't open this. So yeah, it's stuck. But anyway, yes, so Love of Color, I got another one of their products. Love of Color actually, you know, they have pretty solid colors, hence their name. But yeah, I literally can't open this. So there's that. But yeah, it's just like this one and done eyeshadow stick, like meaning all you have to do is just, and you're done with your eyeshadow. So yeah, super easy. It makes putting on makeup even quicker, which is great. Another product that I've actually gotten before from a company that I've gotten before is the VSCO London Brow Liner Medium Shape and Define. This is an eyebrow liner, obviously, if you can see it. So yeah, so this is an eyebrow liner. The pen looks like this. Yeah, well, let's zoom. Okay. And it's kind of like a very, very light black color. Like, you can barely tell that it's on my arm. But yeah, it's just a really light black color. You kind of just fill in your brows with that. That's one thing I don't know how to do. And also the thing that I'm kind of afraid to do is the brows, because people judge you really hard for your brows, and if your foundation doesn't match and stuff like that. So like the eyebrows are something I'm afraid of. I'm not really sure if I need it, really, because I don't know anything about makeup, considering that I'm like a young adult, but I just don't wear makeup, so you know, I just don't know anything about it because I don't wear it. Finally, the last thing I'm pulling out of this box is this Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Potent C Bright and Plump Moisturizer. That's a lot of words. But yes, it's really pretty, like, sample bottle. I'm totally kidding. The ombre, I'm feeling it. Anyway, yes, so this is just a little skin moisturizer for your face and stuff like that. It's hydrating, and you know, there's really nothing else to say. It's a moisturizer, and moisturizer just puts moisture back into your skin. So really quickly before I close out this video, I just wanted to say I actually have a travel Twitter and Instagram, and I'll be making a travel blog really soon. Probably sometime next month, or this month. No, next month. Next month. It's probably sometime in May. My travel Instagram is Ashley's Travel Diaries. It's the same as my travel vlogs on my YouTube. I will still be posting travel vlogs, but I just thought I wanted to take it further, so I created social media accounts. Because, you know, as a journalism major and a cinema studies major, I just feel like it's really important to have like something to showcase my work on, so that's why I created those blogs. And also my travel Twitter is ashleykait travels. They were all linked down below, or linked down below. Just read the comments and scroll to the bottom. All my social medias are linked down below. If I don't request, because my personal Instagram is personal, so it's private, if I don't accept your follow request on there, you can at least follow me on my travel blog, and I'll try to be more active on it pretty soon again. And yeah, stay tuned for travel vlogs and blogs, because we are going to Europe in about 2 months. No, in about 3 months. And yeah, I'm really excited. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to hit that big red button down below that says subscribe on it, so you can see more of my videos. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to it to be notified every single time that I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!